we were going to make a voting app. So basically I gave a coding problem in the end. So basically in this we are going to solve a coding problem and adding list of programming languages and batches to our front end. So we will check this out. So just let's get started with this. So basically I told you that you can work with the uh, basically I gave you a coding problem in which I told you that you can create in which I told you that you can find the frequency of each element in the array. So let's solve that problem, because I told you that's very necessary to solve the problem, because it will help you to create a backend logic. So basically let's start with this. So basically I have an array. So what you can do, I have elements in it, like let it be random elements: 56, 89, 1, 2, 7, 9, 6, 6, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9, 9, then 5, 54, then again 56, then again 89. Let it be a wrong array because it will help you to get the logic clear. Then 7, then 1, again 2. Okay, so this is fine. So what I need to define, I need to find the, like in the key part, I told you that we will be designing a data structure such that the key would be having the element. The key should be element, and the value should be frequency of element. So basically what I mean by frequency of element, that in this you need to find the frequency of each element. Okay, so the key should be element, and value should be frequency of element present in that array. Okay, so I'll define a dictionary first. So my dictionary, so I can initialize a dictionary with this constructor. You can initialize any data structure. Let it be a list, set, str. You can define any data structure like this. So this is very helpful. So this is a dictionary, my dictionary. Okay, then I would traverse the array for element in array. Okay, if element not in my dictionary, okay, dictionary, then you would initialize that frequency of like you have found that element, and now that is not in dictionary. Then you need to initialize the first frequency, that the very first frequency you get that element. Okay, then if element not in my dictionary, then my dictionary, then the here the key would be the, I told you as earlier, the key would be element is equal to 1, else now as soon as you keep on getting the element, you need to update the frequency. My dictionary, this would be plus equal to 1. Okay, this is absolutely fine. For element and array, if element not in my dictionary, if you find the first occurrence of that element, you need to initialize the frequency with 1, else my dictionary of element plus is equal to 1. In this I would add a comment. Okay, first occurrence, initialize frequency with 1. Okay, else for every next occurrence update frequency. I hope this is very clear. For every next occurrence update frequency. Okay, so this is good. Now what you need to define, then I will define print star array. So this is a very short notation. By print star array, you can print the elements of the array space separated. Okay, and then well, I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing to have a better view. I'll print array.sort as well. Array.sort. Okay, good. And print my dictionary. I hope there is no error, so I can run this. Okay, now this is awesome. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. I'll check. Let me do one thing. I'll print the array again, but this time I'll do array.sort. Okay, so what you can do, so I'll press F5. So here you can see, so I have my array here. Okay, and now, oh, sorry for the interruption. Okay, okay, there's some issue. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so this was our array. So then when I sorted the array, it looked this. So like here you can see the one has frequency 3. So here you can see the one has frequency 3. Okay, good. Okay, now this is fine. One has frequency 3, then 2 has frequency 3 times. So let me check 2, where is it? 2 has frequency 3. Good. Let me take a very random element. So here it is 9. So let me check the frequency of 9 one time, then second time, third time, fourth time. Okay, I hope 9 is 4 times. Okay, now when I see the sorted list, because I have defined a sorted list in order that you grab easily 9 9 9 9 9, then 9 is 4 times, so 9 is occurring 4 times. So this is fine. Okay, so this was a very good backend logic. This is the very same backend logic we are going to do when we are working on the backend part. So basically I told you that here you can take any array. Okay, and you can define the frequency, like 5 is occurring 2 times. Yes, 5 is occurring 2. Here 1 is this time 5 and 5. Let me check in sorted array. Yes, 5 is occurring 2 times. Yeah, 5 is 2 times. So this was our data structure we made, to in which the frequency is updated and we store the frequency. So like here we have, this time we have used the array of integer, next time we are using an array of programming languages. Okay, so this would help us to make a backend part for logic. So what we can do, so I have moved to my server. So we are done with the coding problem. I hope you all have got this. So basically I hope you can change any values in the array. Okay, and try this out. Okay, this will basically help you out. Okay, so good. So then again we can see any answer. Then suppose like we can look for 89, which is occurring twice. Yeah, 89, here it is twice, occurring twice, and we can see in the original array 89 and 89. So absolutely works fine. So let's get to our server. So I'll do python manage.py run server. Yes. Okay, so I'll move to my voting app. I'll refresh this page. Okay, so what we can do, we can add batches here. So here you can see there are basically different kind of batches. So one is batch primary one. You can use any batches. So let me do this one, batch success. Okay, so I'll move to the about section, index.html. So basically I'll close the okay, index.html earlier was for calculator app. Now this is for the voting app. So let me be very clear with this. So we can define, and here what you can do, instead of class display 4, you can paste this and go to our, yeah, here you can see this is working fine. And let me do some editing here. Let me do text is equal to margin 0 auto. Yes, okay, margin 0 auto display block. Yeah, good. So here you can see the about has been I will try to make it more intuitive. So here you can what I'll do, I'll move to style part, and display is equal to block. Okay, and I'll add some font size. Font size is equal to 2 rem. I think this should be good enough. Yes, good. Yeah, here I've added about. So here you can see, even in our app you can see about. Okay, in the same way I can use the like something very good with any batch, and any color batch I can use danger. Good. Okay, but what I need to do, I'll define p class is equal to, okay, select your language and see results. So basically I'll display what I can do, I'll quickly copy this instead, and yeah, good. Batch danger. Okay, this just for the instructions I'm doing. This is for the instruction parts. So let me go to the page. Yeah, awesome, pretty good. So this is like about instructions. So we are getting giving some more intuitive UI design to our app. So basically, and one thing you can do, one that I have created a list of programming languages. I'll give it a name as any. This is a list till now. So I've declared this list, and I'll next time what you can do, I'll find this as array. Okay, good. So this is a very long list of programming languages, and I'll render them. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how you can render them. My dictionary, and this is array, sorry, array, good, and context is equal to my dictionary, good. Dictionary, yeah, spelling is right. So what I'll do, on the top of the page, just below the body, I'll print this array. Okay, so I'll move to my page, desktop view, Control Shift R. Okay, let me check some. Yeah, here you can see on the top of the page, here you can see the array is there. So next time we will, so just I wanted to show you that we can render this array, and next we would be working on the suggestions, or also how we can provide real-time suggestions. So we will be either we are going to provide on the front end part or on the back end part. So we'll try to what we will figure it out how we can provide suggestion. So I'll catch up in the next lecture. Till the time, I've defined you how you can add badges to it. So thank you guys, thank you so much. In the next I will be also showing you how you can use cards as well, because I'm trying to make more intuitive UI this time. So thank you guys, thank you so much. I'll catch up in the next lecture.